Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and thank you very much for returning. If you are new to my channel, welcome along. Today I'm making a video for you, and as always it is a pleasure making videos for you. I'm going to show you how I store my paper and cardstock. So one of my subscribers did ask, a dear friend, you know who you are, she asked me how do I store my paper, and I'm about to do that now. This lovely little bird cage, I got that from a charity shop. I think it was the Samaritans. It was, yes, about 2 years ago. It was brand new, £5 I paid for that. It's really, really pretty, as you can see. It's got the hook, so pretty, and I just like to have it here to look at until I decide what I want to do with it. But let me get into the video with how I store my paper. Now this is a paper trays that I got from Poundland. I bought a few and I stacked them and hot glued them together, so they're quite firm and sturdy. It is heavy when you pick it up, but I don't normally have it here. I normally have it on top of another mesh drawer that I got from IKEA. Well, I didn't get it from IKEA. It comes from IKEA, but I found it and I brought it home, and I attempted to spray paint it white with spray paint from Poundland, but I weren't happy with the results, so I'm going to give it a good going over as soon as I get a bit more time. But okay, going back to how I store my paper. The paper trays are from Poundland, love purple, and I bought a few, as you can see, stacked them and hot glued them in order for them to stay together. And this is how I coordinate my papers. So at the top here I've got all the glitter, and I've just got some pink cardstock, well, coloured ones here, that I'm going to have to separate and put them in order with the other colours. These are just coloured ones, as you can see here, different colours, so that's got to get separated. And then I've got a drawing pad here with pastel coloured papers. These are thin papers to put in the photocopier or whatever, and I won't separate these, I'll just keep these here, and just some odd bits and pieces. So this is like the catch-all, the top piece. Really I would like it to be for glitter paper, so I'm going to get that organised. And below it here is all my gold and silver and the different coloured mirrored ones. And I did a haul on these already from B&M, so I've got a new packet of those. Always love the mirrored cardstock. So I've got a packet of gold and a packet of silver, and I've got some bits and pieces here that is left over from projects. And then below that is my black, and I most probably put like dark blue in there if I run out of space. And here is all the cream. See, I've put the red, orange and yellows together because I don't have a lot of those colours. I don't really keep a lot of those colours. Only if I'm doing a specific project I'll get these colours, but I'm not really bothered about these colours. I don't really use them. Red, yes, perhaps, but orange and yellow, if I, as I said, if I do need them for a project, then I'll just buy as I go along. And this is all the white here, and they're different weights as well. These ones are different weights. These ones are a bit lighter, and this one's a heavy one. This one's from Hobbycraft, and that's 120 GSM. That one's heavier than the top one here. And then this one here is 200, and this is from Poundland. And then I've got all my purple family here. I've got some light ones and slightly darker ones here, as you can see. Different shades of purple. Oh, absolutely fabulous. Love that. So that's all my purples and all my pinks, the different shades of pinks. Again, that's a darker shade, light shade, and it goes on here. I think these are all the light pink ones, the baby pink ones, which I really like. And this is all my brown, and this is all the blue and green, and perhaps turquoise will go in there as well. So that's how I keep all my papers. And this little unit here, this is all my sewing stuff. I most probably do a video on that. So I've got all my sewing bits and bobs in here. And then up here I've got a nice little frame with I keep pins here, so I can just grab a pin if I need it. And my thimbles, a packet of thimbles. Yeah, so I'll most probably do a video on my sewing bits and pieces. So it's a short video but sweet, and I hope you liked that. So that's my tower that I keep my paper and cardstock in. Okay, thank you very much for the support on my channel, and if you've got any questions, just leave a comment below, leave it all below, and I'll catch you back real soon. Take care now, bye bye.